Good day, trainees. Today I'm going to prepare a club sandwich, which is an example of a multi-decker sandwich. These are the following ingredients. We have the toasted bread, the tomato, the pan-fried bacon, mayonnaise, pan-fried chicken, lettuce, and the barbecue skewers. Start. First, get 1 piece of bread and then spread with the mayonnaise. After spreading mayonnaise, you put now the lettuce just to cover the bread. After the lettuce, put the tomato. So after the tomato, put a little bit of mayo on the top of the tomato. After the tomato, you slice a little bit the chicken just to occupy the bread. So, cover it with chicken. After covering with chicken, you get another bread. Spread again with the mayonnaise. Then cover the second bread. After covering the second bread, you put again the mayo on the top. Covered. And then you put a little bit of, again, lettuce. Then after the lettuce, you put now the bacon. You fill up all place a little bit and then get another bread, spread again, and then cover with the last bread. After covering the last bread, you get the barbecue skewers. Push, dip down, another one, and then put at the center. So after that, you have to cut diagonally. So you cut diagonally like this, holding both parts. After cutting, that one, the other one. See to it that you are going to present the club sandwich, which the fillings must be presented in front. And then a little bit of garnish. that is now the club sandwich. So this is now how to make club sandwich.